Hey, this is Donovan with A2D. I wanted to show you and go over this full front PPF, windshield protection film, and window tint package that we just got done on this brand new Volkswagen Jetta GLI. So this thing is completed, this full front. We did the hood, the fenders, the headlights, all the front bumper area, including the front emblem, A-pillars, and mirror caps. So that's what's included in our full front package. I actually did this one myself, so I can tell you that I went around and wrapped every single edge around anywhere we possibly can. So the whole hood edge, to make it so it looks like there's not even PPF on there, is wrapped. The fenders, same exact thing. The whole edge going into the hood area, the whole edge going into the fender well area. The front bumper also wrapped into the fender well area, and everything that you can see that's the factory paint color is covered with our PPF. Not to mention the extra trim pieces that we applied, the front emblem, the headlights, that's all covered. Obviously our goal is to make it so you can't really tell that it's on there, but it is protected. We also did, which not everybody does this, but it's a really good idea, the windshield protection film. It prevents rock chips from actually chipping or cracking your windshield, and especially if you do a lot of highway driving, this is a great idea to get done. It also has a clarity where there is no way you can really tell that it's on there unless you go up to the edge and you start trying to pick it off. The process for any PPF application is going to entail a full exterior detail to start. That's on any full front package or a windshield PPF package like this one got. We're going to do an entire exterior detail to make sure that when we bring it into our clean room, there's no chance it's going to bring in dirt or debris that's going to get under our film and cause what looks like defects in our work. So for this particular vehicle, it went through a full wash and decontamination before going over to the clean room PPF tint shop, where we can do these installs. Now, once it gets in there, we're gonna go through another prep process that our PPF and tint department does independently of our prep bay. So after being prepped once, it's gonna go get prepped again, where we're gonna take isopropyl alcohol, wipe around all the edges, make sure that there's absolutely no reason our PPF is not going to stick to your vehicle properly. So after that isopropyl alcohol prep, another clay bar on the panel to make sure that there's no contaminants under the film. We're gonna do a nice squeegee of the panel, make sure that we spray our slip solution, our soap and water solution, and remove any dust that may have settled on it after having driven it to the clean room. Once that's done and we've got the piece of film prepared, we're then gonna take it, set it on the panel, and squeegee out any of the slip solution, that soap and water that we've put under the film, so that we can kind of move it around as we're installing it. So once all that's squeegeed out, the film is installed properly, it's been stretched to its proper positioning, we're gonna trim the edges of each panel, allow it to dry a little bit, and then wrap those edges so that the edges of all your panels are covered. And all those steps are extremely important. I don't have time in this video to cover every single step that we go through in that process, but generally that's the process you'll go through, or your vehicle will go through when getting a PPF package installed. So with the full front, again, we covered the full front end plus the A-pillars and mirror caps. The windshield protection film protecting against rock chips up here as well. Again, we try to make that so you cannot tell it's installed. It is perfectly clear, and it has no effect on your visibility while driving. So with the tint packages that we do here, this vehicle in particular got sides and rear done, 5% in the rear, 20% in the front. We will pay attention to just as much detail as we do any other service that we offer. We don't cut corners on tint. A lot of tint shops are just trying to pump cars out. We're here to make sure that this job gets done to the same level of quality that every other service we offer here gets done at. So one example of that would be the top edge of our passenger window here. We shave the edges of every window that we do. We don't use a plotter cut or anything that could even possibly allow us to misalign the window or the film on the window. And a lot of the time what you'll see is a gap at the very top of the window between where the tint starts and the actual top of the window. In our case, we don't allow that to happen. That's actually not acceptable for us. So we're gonna shave the edges along the top of the window to ensure that there's no light gap there. Even though a window like this is gonna go all the way up into the trim and that gap is kind of gonna be hidden. If you wanna have your window halfway down, you don't wanna see this ugly line going across your window. So that's one of those things that we do that we think sets us apart from a majority of the rest of the shops that could tint your car. Now, the reason this client went darker in the rear is obviously because they want some privacy in the rear, and we went 20% in the front because there is legal standards that we have to meet with the amount of light that can get through the film. Of course, the front is still dark enough, but you're able to see out at night and things like that. So with the sides and rear package, everything except for the very front windshield is done. And yeah, it offers a way cleaner look, especially with cars like this where there's black wheels, black trim. There's a lot of glass on this car, some black accents like the mirrors and this part of the roof. So darkening the look of the windows and getting away from that quote-unquote fishbowl look is very helpful in a cosmetic aspect as well. If you're interested in getting paint protection film applied to either your windshield, your front end, your whole car, or getting any window tint done, or any of the other services we offer rust prevention and bed liner services. We offer paint corrections and ceramic coatings. We do Icon Rock Clear coatings. That's actually the booth that we're standing in right now, where we coat cars with Icon Rock Clear. Anything at all, please be sure to reach out. We're a couple months out on our PPF bookings, but we'd love to meet you, shake your hand, get to know you a little bit better, get to know what you need. And the way to do that is for you to reach out, schedule a consultation with us so that we can understand what you need the best. Our phone number is 219-533-8783, or you could go to our website at attn2detail.info. Thanks for letting me show you what we did on this beautiful Volkswagen. And yeah, I hope to see you in the shop soon for a consultation. Donovan with A2D out.